Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the crunchy, juicy world of one of America's favorite comfort foods, chicken tenders. But hold on tight, because we're not just talking about its deliciousness. We're unveiling some little-known facts that'll leave you hungry for more. Did you know that chicken tenders, also known as chicken fingers or chicken strips, actually originated in the southern United States in the 1950s? Yep. These tasty strips of goodness were born in the land of biscuits and gravy. Now, here's a nugget of knowledge, pun intended. Chicken tenders are actually made from the pectoralis minor muscle of the chicken, which is the little-known part of the breast beneath the main breast meat. That's why they're so tender and succulent. Cultural phenomenon. Chicken tenders aren't just a snack. They're a cultural phenomenon. They've become a staple on kids' menus, sports bars, and even fine dining restaurants. Brace yourselves, folks. Did you know that the largest serving of chicken tenders weighed a whopping 1,084 pounds? That's like a ton of tender deliciousness, setting a mouth-watering world record. International love. While chicken tenders are quintessentially American, they've won hearts worldwide. Different cultures have put their unique twist on this classic dish, making it a global favorite. The crispy coating on chicken tenders isn't just a random mix of flour and spices. DIY magic. Hey, here's a challenge: try making your own homemade chicken tenders. It's not just fun, it's also a great way to customize flavors and ingredients according to your taste buds. Did you know that chicken tenders weren't always a popular item on menus? They started gaining widespread popularity in the 1980s, becoming a go-to choice for many diners, especially kids and those seeking a quick, satisfying meal. Chefs and culinary enthusiasts around the world have taken chicken tenders to new heights by experimenting with unique coatings and flavors. From crushed potato chips to cereal coatings, the possibilities are endless. Looking for a healthier option? Some restaurants and home cooks have started using alternative ingredients for coatings, like almond flour or panko breadcrumbs, making these tasty treats a bit lighter without compromising the crunch. The Great Dredge Debate. Chicken tender mania. Chicken tenders have not only become a beloved meal but have also inspired merchandise. Yes, you heard that right. You can find clothing, accessories, and even kitchenware featuring these crunchy delights. Beyond the US, different cultures have embraced chicken tenders in fascinating ways. In Japan, for example, karaage, their version of fried chicken, often uses techniques similar to those used in making American-style chicken tenders. The science behind the perfect chicken tender isn't just about the coating, it's also about the temperature. Achieving the right internal temperature ensures they're not just crispy on the outside but also juicy and perfectly cooked inside. Famous fans. Celebrities and famous personalities aren't immune to the charm of chicken tenders. Some have professed their love for this comfort food, making it even more popular among their fans. The healthy dip. Looking for a healthier dipping sauce option? Greek yogurt-based dips or hummus are rising stars as healthier alternatives to the traditional sauces, adding a nutritious twist to your tender experience. Did you know that chicken tenders have historical ties to the military? They were initially created as a convenient and easy-to-eat protein option for soldiers during World War II. The portable nature of these strips made them a practical meal for troops on the move. Chicken tenders have quite the list of aliases. In some regions, they're referred to as chicken fingers, chicken strips, or even chicken goujons. No matter the name, they all evoke that same delicious image. Sauce showdown. While the debate over the best sauce for chicken tenders rages on, did you know that in Alabama, a unique white barbecue sauce reigns supreme? It's a tangy blend of mayo, vinegar, and spices, adding a distinctive flavor to these beloved strips. Historical recipe books. Surprisingly, the concept of breaded chicken strips dates back to the 1830s. The renowned chef, Antonin Carême, featured a similar recipe for fried chicken in the French manner in his culinary works. The fast food frontier. Fast food chains played a significant role in popularizing chicken tenders. In the 1980s, their inclusion on menus of major chains like McDonald's and Wendy's further boosted their popularity and accessibility. When you think of stadium food, hot dogs and nachos might come to mind, but chicken tenders have also secured their spot as a stadium favorite. They're a go-to choice for sports fans cheering on their favorite teams. Culinary contests. Believe it or not, there are chicken tender eating competitions. Competitive eaters go head-to-head to devour as many chicken tenders as possible in a set time. It's an intense, and perhaps a bit messy, display of gastronomic prowess. Chicken tenders aren't just for frying. They can be grilled, baked, or even air-fried to achieve that crispy exterior while keeping things a bit lighter. Who knew there were so many layers to the world of chicken tenders? Which fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and keep exploring the delicious mysteries of the culinary world with us. Please like, comment, and subscribe.